video, we are going to see why Tamil Nadu is not accepting, or majority of Tamil Nadu is not accepting the new education policy. Though the new education policies have many good aspects, the reason why it is not accepted by many rural mass is that it is not practically suitable for the rural mass here. Many policymakers do not understand the practical applicability of any schemes or policies here. The typical rural life of a student is very difficult. They have to earn their living at the age of 14 or 15 or before that. For the rural mass, studying is not only duty for him to do all the things. They have to take care of the cattle and they have to earn for their household at the age of 10 or 13. So they have no time to get into school education and proper book or proper education facilities. The other important problem is that transportation. Many remote villages of Tamil Nadu or country for that matter is not easily accessible to the town or cities nearby to get a good education. So they have a lot of difficulties in accepting this new education policies. Though the policy have many good aspects, like the degree can be completed if the dropouts of college educations can be decreased, and as such many good aspects are there. There are some practical difficulties in accepting. This is the reason why majority of Tamilians or majority of Tamil people is not able to accept this new education policy. A typical village student life starts 4:30 in the morning to take care of the cattle, even for a 5th standard student. So they have to take care of the cattle and get up and make it everything fit into and go to school by 9 o'clock. And again, the transportation is very difficult. Either they have to use their bicycle or by walk. So if this new education policy is implemented, we understand that the policy is good and it is the measure to improve the standard of education. But we have the responsibility to take care of the student stress level. It's important for the central government, as central government is taking the responsibility to supervise the things what's going on in the policy in the Tamil Nadu. In Tamil Nadu, chief ministers like Kamarajar understand that the difficulty in implementing or getting education for a rural mass is difficult, and they implemented a scheme such that it should be practically applicable to the rural mass and the rural students. But is this the policy makers now doing? It's very difficult. The policy makers is not understanding the practical applicability of any schemes or policy. They have to know the reality and make some practical applicability of the new education policy. Otherwise, the schemes which is made by the central government is not going to be of no use. Respected chief ministers like Kamarajar made it necessary to give afternoon meals for the students, because they know that the poverty will not allow the rural mass to get into school education. But now is it the truth? The policy makers are understanding the reality and making policies that which is really useful for the rural mass or the country as well. This is the reason why Tamilians is opposing the new education policy, because the policy is implemented only to help the upper class of the country. The rural mass is forgotten, and the standard was good, but is it acceptable by the rural mass? It's a difficult task for the rural people to accept that. So the government should take some initiatives, or they have to do something so that the rural mass is getting benefited, or the standard of the rural people education should be get benefited due to this new education policies. Thank you. Salt is good but not suitable for my pickle. This is the thing about the new education policy. The new education policy is framed in such a way it is going to improve the standard of the education of the country as a whole. But is this practically applicable to the rural student? If the policy makers think about this and take some initiative that the policies should be practically applicable and it should be acceptable or benefited for the rural mass too. Hope the policy makers will consider all these things for the current education policy as well as future policies. Thank you.